Hey, what's up, everyone? This is your bucket hat girl who codes. Today in New York City, the weather is so chilly. And I decided I should do some simple questions to keep my head warm. Let's keep it warm right here. All right. So yeah, let's just dive into the questions. We're gonna do three questions today. And let's do the first one by City of San Francisco. I'm very surprised that some government organization have a pretty good lead code like this. All right, so income by title and gender. Um, Find the average total compensation based on employee titles and gender. So this tells you that you should there's two tiers for the group by for the aggregation. Total comp is calculated by adding both salary and bonus for each employee. And not every employee receives a bonus, so disregard employees without bonuses in your calculation. Employee can receive more than one bonus. Okay, that tells you this is a one-to-many relationship, so be careful when you do a aggregation. And I'll put the employee title, gender, along with the average total comp. Okay, so let's take a look at this table. They have employee ID, all the information, the age, the gender information, title, that's what we need as well, their salary, and then some other stuff we don't need to know. Um, the next table is the San Francisco bonus, which is just the employee ID and the bonus. And as they already mentioned, one employee can have multiple bonus. Okay, so for this, we gotta do a joint. And we should do a left joint where San Francisco employee is the parent table, and then on the right side of the left join we have San Fran bonus, which is a child table. I don't use inner join because then only it doesn't it doesn't calculate any employee without bonus. So then in that case you would lose data and won't give you the accurate answer, right? All right, so let's do a quick join. San Fran bonus on. I'm gonna call the left table A, the right table is B. On ID column from table A in the table B is the worker ref ID, I think. Right, that's correct. So how are we gonna approach this? I wanna count since this is a one-to-many. One employee can have many bonus, so we have to calculate the total comp first, and then we can aggregate to the titles and gender level. So now we're gonna have um, we're going to have ID. We're going to use employee titles because we need it for the next step. So same with the gender. And then we calculate salary. We calculate the total comp by take the sum of salary and any bonus that each employee has. I'm calling this as a total comp. Now, next step is important. You gotta choose group by. Um, you might be you might be tricked that you only group by with 3 columns. Um, oh, sorry, right here is a bonus. The sum bonus, because many, right? Many bonus. Yeah, but it should be on the salary level as well, because we don't do an aggregation on salary. We only do aggregation on the bonus. So this is what it should look like. Okay. A gender does not exist. Okay, it should be sex. Column A gender again. Where is it? Okay, here. You know what? Let's do this. All right, so we got everything right here. Then we can do, we don't calculate anything without total comp. So I'm gonna do a filter here. Total comp is not, no, looks like this. Well, having, there you go. And then I'm putting this select statement into a CTE. I'm calling it a total comp. Then we basically have everything we need, and we just need to aggregate the average total comp by title and sex, so that we would have to do a average and then a group by um, from total comp group by employee title sex. Do we have to sort it in any way? Nope, they don't require you to do that. So yes, we solved the first problem right here. I would say this problem it's tests you on basic skills, basic knowledge, but it can be a little bit tricky right here with the one-to-many relationship when you're trying to do an aggregation. Some people might be missing out on the column salary to in the group by level, right? And that would throw you off. And another mistake that you might make is you don't use CTE and you do a aggregation from the get-go for title and sex, and that would missing out on a bunch of bonuses. The bonus didn't calculate the right way because it's this calculation right here is very very important, and there's no way you can express that in a aggregation just by title and sex. So yes, all right, so let's jump to the next one. Find the percentage of shippable orders. This question is asked by Google, and Amazon is medium level. Find a percentage of shippable orders. Consider an order is shippable if the customer's address is known. Okay, that seems very, very easy. Let's see. We have this table orders that has all the orders details, customers that are associated with each order. So I assume ID is the primary key for this table. So let's see if there's any duplicates. Yet there's no duplicates. This table is deduped. Let's check the customers. All right, customers, just the information like the name and address. Okay, great. Let's see if the ID. Okay, I don't like how it's not sorted like this. But it looks like it's also deduped, so we don't have to worry about these thing. Okay. Um, so we gotta do a join. And what kind of join do we want to do? I would say I'm still gonna do a left join. Because if I do a inner joins, then it would exclude all the orders without customer. And I would hope that, customers should have like should in the customers table they should have the customer ID, right? That would be great. That's how it should be. And in that case, you can do an inner join. But let's see this, table are not perfect. I'm gonna do a left join so that I don't miss out on any orders. So join the order on the customer ID. Calling this A, calling this one on the left here, on the right here is B. A ID is equal to B dot customer ID. Right. Oh, it's also ID. Oh, okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna count. So my calculation, I'm gonna count any I'm gonna do a count case whenever the address is null, is not null, then I'm gonna count the customer. I'm gonna count the order's ID, right? So okay, let's do this. Case when B dot address is not null, then I want to count order ID, so I'll put here ID, A ID, else null, right? You can also do a distinct, but we already like count distinct, but we already agreed that there's no duplicates in the order. So no matter if it has a distinct keyword, the output doesn't change. And then divided that by the total number of orders, right? So that's just a quick sum. Oh, not sum, sorry, count ID. God damn, what's happening right here? Oh, the ID is ambiguous. All right, ID and let's call this a shipable. Oops, what can I type? Percentage. Oh yeah, one thing I'm missing out here is percentage. So multiply with 100. If I want some decimal, I should put 100.00 and run this. Give me 32%. Oh shoot, what's happening? The Oh, okay, I think they do an inner join something. Oh shoot. Hold on. Official solution is 28%. Alright, what did I do wrong here? Case when that shouldn't be a inner join. Case when address is not null, then AID else. No. Okay, what's happening right here? Um, oh yeah, my bad. See, this is a very um stupid mistake I make. Should be customer ID because ID is the order, right? Awesome. We got this. Yes, it's a very, very stupid mistake, you know. We should join these two table on the customer ID. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question right here is a question from Airbnb. Level is medium. Find the matching host and guest in the way that they are both of the same gender and nationality. I would say this is like a query for like a recommendation system where Airbnb suggests their guests which host they can stay with based on their commonality, right? Airbnb hosts, let's check this table. We have host ID, the information, the geographic information. Um, Funny thing is I see a lot of duplicates right here. Interesting. It's a bad table. It's not deduped. First thing we gotta do is dedupe this table. Let's take a look at the guest. Okay, guess is deduped. Um, I'm gonna dedupe this table first with, I think in my previous videos, there's also we also use Airbnb host table for um one of the questions, and we'll also do the same thing to dedupe our table. Select from Airbnb host. So yes, then process, we do a row count um with the host. We do a row number over, and our window it would be um host ID, right? Should I do gender and age as well? Mm, no, I don't think I should. I don't think I should. And order by host ID as row num, right? And I only pick the first columns, I mean the first rows for this duplicate jumps. So I'm gonna call this second ETE right here is host deduped as and then select host ID, nationality, gender, age, um, from deduped, and I filter out only the first row Okay, let me check the results. What happened? Syntax error. Oh, no. Great, so this is deduped. Then I am gonna do a joint the host with guest. In this case, I am going to do it in a joint because I need to show any guest and host with same gender and nationality, right? Um, host dedupe join in a join guest Airbnb guest. I'm gonna call this one as B, A. All right, and do not make the same mistake as I did, like the previous problem. In this case, we are actually join on nationality and gender because we want to match the same um, nationality and gender. So let's do this. One thing I'm concerning is that it will give you a bunch of duplicate rows, it seems, because nationality and gender are not um, distinctive column, right? So I'm guessing it give you a bunch of, oh god, I just can't talk while I'm coding. Um, but yeah, it won't show you, um, it will give you a bunch of distinct, duplicate rows. So yeah, let's see how it turned out to be. Guest ID. Do they want us to order? But I'm gonna just do an order because I want to see if there's any duplicates. So I'm gonna order by host ID. Okay, looks good, looks good. This is what we want. Okay, right. So yeah, we are done with 3 questions. I would say these are not super tough. Requires some caution into solving this problem, especially you gotta inspect on the table schema, see if it has any duplicates, and check on the primary key, like what are the columns that define the level of granularity for each table before you go on and do any joins, any aggregation, and so yes. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like my videos, give me some likes, subscribe for more videos as well, and I'll see you next time.